Good morning, all. This is Praveen Rao, Manager Technical in Beacon, and I'm working with a team of technical support for pre-sales, post-sales, and training, where we support our customers throughout. And I take care of all the suite of SolidWorks products in Beacon. So what we are going to see today in this webinar is the technical support doctrine. When I say technical support doctrine, it is the solutions or the services we offer as a support organization to our customers in terms of the support for the functionalities and uh, the trainings based on domain, trainings based on tool, all these things we are going to see. So what I have in my agenda is this. I'm just going to brief you about what Beacon is, about Beacon, and the key value proposition, what we offer, and also the service commitment and the team, team which we work for, making this support and services to our customers. And also, I'd like to share a customer testimonial with you for this. Now, about Beacon. Needless to say, for our existing customers, we are into the industry by 10 plus years now, since 10 plus years now, and we are proving to be the best CAD/CAM CAE solutions provider across India. And there are some awards which boost up our recognition in the market. Best SolidWorks reseller for so many years, and higher customer satisfaction rate, best subscription services, JDBR, simulation, and so on. A brief company profile is like this. First and the only award to be awarded for highest customer satisfaction in the complete rest of Asia from India. And then we carry the largest customer base across South and Western India from every segment of industry. And also we have a technical support team who are highly qualified and training and also certified by Dassault Systems SolidWorks Corporation for managing each and every product support and services. Large number of SolidWorks simulation certified engineers in Southeast Asia. And also 9 years in a row top SolidWorks sales and support center in India, among top 5 SolidWorks in resellers in Asia Pacific. These are a brief about Beacon as best engineering aids and consultancies private limited, a professional channel partner for SolidWorks suite of products. So the key value proposition which I'm going to propose you here is proven expertise in offering end-to-end solutions for various design verticals, engineering design verticals. When I say this, we have the team that helps you in not only in SolidWorks, also in engineering design vertical domains, and also highly qualified trained engineering professionals from prestigious educational institutions also possess and carry some domain experience in terms of, when I say tooling, when I say machine design, automotive, and so on. Best technical infrastructure to offer professional training, implementation, and technical support without losing any time. When I say that, we have the state-of-the-art training facility with all the workstations loaded with all the latest versions of our softwares. Implementation, customization, and collaboration with consulting companies, ensuring complete support and service engagement. It's that we are not in the market as just resellers, just sales people for SolidWorks with our products. We also be there for customers implementation, customization, also continuous support and service engagement. So in the nutshell, our goals are our priority too. And next thing what we are going to see is to give you a brief, I would like to mention about the product portfolio, what we carry as a professional channel partner for SolidWorks. First would be the CAD, SolidWorks CAD, which is the crux of all, which is the base of all. So SolidWorks CAD, it carries 3 different flavors in that: standard, professional, and premium. Standard with all the necessary things with mold tools, surfacing, weldments, sheet metal, and so on. And when it comes to professional, there are some additional features like Toolbox. Toolbox is a global repository of all my bought out items like nuts, bolts, screws, fasteners, retainer rings, and so on. So all these are pertaining to the different standards. It is preloaded inside the library called Toolbox, wherein I need not to draw anything out of it. I just draw or model anything out of it. Just need to drag and drop, and makes my work faster. Also, professional suite carries a tool like costing, which helps you in estimating the cost of your design, your product, before getting into the manufacturing, with setting up the templates, and also design checker, task scheduler, and so on. So that's the professional. When it comes to premium, the high-end version of CAD, premium offers, along with the professional and standard functionalities, it also offers me the simulation on assemblies, where I can do the linear static analysis on assemblies, as well as routing for pipes and tubes, electrical wire harness, as well as scan to 3D, which helps me in uh, reverse engineering, where I have the digitized data and I can use that digitized data coordinates for building a 3D model out of it. And circuit works, which also helps me in bridging the electronic designs to mechanical designs, wherein if for example, if I have to have a circuit board design to design and plan and design my enclosure, I can use ScircuitWorks to get that read inside SolidWorks, get the PCB data read inside SolidWorks in terms of 3D, wherein the library with a preloaded library helps me in allocating the thickness and building the parts according to the nomenclature standards. So these are CAD, wherein I have standard, professional, and premium. Next comes simulation. When I say simulation, the SolidWorks CAD Premium acts as the basic version for SolidWorks simulation, wherein we can do linear static analysis. When it comes to professional, SolidWorks Simulation Professional, we have uh, so many other FEA analysis like we have drop test, frequency analysis, buckling analysis, thermal analysis, and so on. And in the premium, we have a lot of other things like dynamics, non-linear, seismic analysis, composites analysis, and so on, which is a high-end version of SolidWorks simulation, that is FEA. And then we have SolidWorks Composer. SolidWorks Composer is a technical publication tool, technical authoring tool, which helps me in creating the user manuals, marketing brochures, sales catalogs, and so on, wherein I have the bidirectional associativity of the CAD data as well as the 3D data, what the composer data, what we create, so that there won't be any time taken for waiting for the design to be freezed, and then the technical publication takes place, technical documentation takes place. Using Composer, we can do it parallelly, where because it has a very good reading capabilities or bidirectional associativity between my SolidWorks CAD and SolidWorks Composer, so that any changes updated later in the design stage will get updated automatically in the downstream documents of the Composer by just a click. So this helps me in saving a lot of time. So this is SolidWorks Composer. SolidWorks Enterprise PDM. Enterprise PDM is a tool for product data management, wherein I can manage the entire product data of my design organization, wherein I can set my workflow as per my industry standard. I can manage the files and design data inside a global repository called Vault, with having the granular security of accessing and who has to do what, and then the logs of who has done what, and workflows and design data cards as well, and so on. So Enterprise PDM, in a nutshell, it's a product data management tool which helps me in managing my engineering and design data and daily work in progress very efficiently in an organization. And then we have SolidWorks Plastics. Whoever in the tooling industry, the plastics design industry, this tool helps me a lot. When I say professional, it helps for the part designers, the plastics part designers, wherein they can predict the manufacturing defects of the plastics part right in the early stage of design by analyzing whether the part will fill, or whether there would be any sick mark, whether there will be some weld lines, or whether there would be any air traps. So all these things I can analyze in the part design stage itself, so that I can take the plastics part design, whatever I have done, into the next level very confidently. Sorry. So next comes Premium, SolidWorks Plastics Premium, which is going to help for both plastics part designers as well as the mold designers, the plastics mold designers, injection mold designers, injection mold makers, wherein it helps me in complete mold flow analysis, inclusive of warpage analysis and cooling analysis. So that is SolidWorks Plastics. And then we have SolidWorks Electrical, wherein SolidWorks Electrical solution helps me in bridging the gap between the electrical design and mechanical design. It gives me the integration between electrical and mechanical design, wherein I can create 2D schematics, multi-line schematics, single-line schematics, and terminal strip drawing, everything inside 2D. And then the 3D design, I just click to automatically route the wires referring to the 2D schematic data, so that everything in what I do in 3D except for modeling would be automated. The length of wires, the length of cables, and the parts placement, everything is very easy, so that I don't have a communication gap between the electrical department and the mechanical department, so that the work goes smooth. So this is about SolidWorks Electrical, a brief about SolidWorks Electrical. And also we have CFD, that is computational fluid dynamics, when it is called SolidWorks Flow Simulation, when flow helps me in analyzing the flow inside the valves, pumps, and the hot valves, and so on. HVAC, air conditioning, electronic cooling for electronic industry. And then also we carry, as Beacon, we also carry some other products which is very helpful in the tooling industry, the sheet metal industry, and the plastics mold industry, and the forming industry. These are 3D quick tools, which are where there are 3 different flavors of that. 3D quick press, which helps me in press tool industry, that is sheet metal industry. Quick mold for plastics mold design, automated mold design, wherein it's very fast to design molds based on libraries. And then 3D quick forming operations, forming parts. And also we can deal with 3D printing machines, which helps me in rapid prototyping. So this is a brief of the SolidWorks product, the products portfolio we carry as Beacon professional channel partner for SolidWorks. Let us come back to the service commitment, that is the support. Training. When I say training, we are committed to delivering highest quality support in service commitment, and let us go one by one. And the training, we have comprehensive on-site training on all modules of SolidWorks, and then advanced training, which is what if for example customer is using our SolidWorks CAD for some purpose, and now he has to go into the advanced level of writing macros, he has to customize something. Yes, we have the training facility for that. And for example routing, SolidWorks routing, or so on. There are so many advanced things we can train. And then detailed what is new training on new releases. Every year there will be a release from SolidWorks, the major release from the SolidWorks. So detailed what's new trainings are offered for the people who are looking to upgrade from the present version to the latest version. And then new hire training to get recruits on board. Whenever there is a new joinee in your organization who doesn't know SolidWorks but he is supposed to work on SolidWorks, yes, we have that training offered to him as well. And then simulation trainings and other trainings as well are not only on the SolidWorks tool, it can be also on the domain, FEA and CFD. And then trainings on customization and API, how to customize your SolidWorks CAD according to your requirements, application program interface. So this is the training facilities what we offer. So going more into the training curriculum is from SolidWorks. We follow the curriculum of given by the SolidWorks, and also we have two different set of trainings: product based trainings, need based trainings. Product based trainings consists of our regular products, SolidWorks, simulation, composer, data management, and more. And the need based trainings are, for example, see, the base training, it has to be undergone. Someone is working in a sheet metal industry, but it is not that only sheet metal we are going to teach him. Product based trainings would happen. The basic training would happen for complete SolidWorks functionalities, and then need based training we have a different set of agenda and curriculum for sheet metal, mold tools, and advanced surfacing, etc. And all these trainings are done by or executed by certified SolidWorks instructors from SolidWorks Corporation. Certified from SolidWorks Corporation. So, and then comes technical support. You are a customer, you are you have purchased SolidWorks and you have started using. You might be having a lot of questions like how this is going to be, how this functionality works, or this particular functionality is not working as intended, or I would feel as a user, some feature would have been in SolidWorks that would have been great for my application. So all these things, we are there to support you. Dedicated 12/5 technical support through telephone, WebEx, and email. You can call us, or and if we have to look at your part, or you look at your machine, we can have WebEx, and we can also interact through email. Investigation and troubleshooting of all issues, minimum resolution time as a key objective we keep always, and the free certification support for all our users. We can support you to get the certification from SolidWorks directly, and also in-person support for critical issues. Just give us a call, and there is a criticality which is where it has to be attended by in person. Yes, we are there. Our team will visit you and will help you in solving those issues. So, expanding more on technical support, it is interactive, real-time, live real-time problem resolution via Teams sharing, or GoToMeeting, or WebEx, and new SolidWorks software releases. And then SolidWorks customer portal, which gives full access to an expansive web-based repository of resources like service requests. Say, what is service request? When there is some issue which is not solved by us, we escalate it to SolidWorks, and they'll respond to us, that is service request. Or if something is not working as intended, there might be a bug in the software, we report it to the SolidWorks so that it can be fixed in the future releases or service packs. So that is service requests. And then toolkits for productivity systems, free free certified SolidWorks professional exam certification, that is CSWP and CSWA exams. So these are the extended technical support, customer support, and technical services we offer. Then comes my.solidworks.com, which is what a very new thing, and which is what a very good global repository of all my relative items, all my relative things, like get answers, be current, learn more, share, and showcase. Helping users stay productive, because we need answers to the questions in terms of demonstrations, trainings, help, feature-wise, techniques to achieve something, techniques to model something, or techniques to get something out of CAD. Or for example, I'm looking for a spring with some different, create a model of a spring with different set of inputs. What are the techniques I can search, and examples for that, and also insights for that. So all of these things I can get it in one page, that is called my.solidworks.com, which is what accessible to all of our users. You can just have a register and you can have access. So let us have a look on what it is. So this is how the website looks like, my.solidworks.com. That is official SolidWorks community, wherein I have this home, learning, what's new. I can log in here and I can have a quick tour, and here I can also search anything and everything I want. For example, I want to know about some functionality, costing. I just say costing and I search for that, and I get all the relative documents pertaining to SolidWorks costing, like formula SAE, how accurate is the costing module, what are the two extra templates, create sheet metal costing analysis example, cutting it down to SolidWorks costing. I can filter it out. I can sort it by different types and I can narrow my results and I can get accurately what I'm looking to. Now I just come back to home, and here I have the quick links for quick tour, products, what we carry, training, technical support, and browse subject 3D design. For example, I just get into the 3D design. I can see, the content for getting trained, how to do concept design, how to sketch booleans, sheet metal, or single modeling environment. So these are the lessons where I can just interactively do whatever is there in that tutorial, and I can get thorough on that. And also it is specified from which blog and what is the time taken for this, what is the estimated time taken for achieving this, and also there are a lot of data pertaining to the 3D design here. And also if I just click on learning, I can have the curriculum here where I can make use of these e-learning tools to learn whatever I want to do. And also the training manuals, I can request for the e-copy of the training manual by using my book serial number, so that I'll get an e-copy of that. And also let's come back to overview. You can see introduction to routing, SolidWorks utilities, and then what's new. I just click on what's new. I can see the what's new videos and articles, SolidWorks plastics technical tips, introduction to my.solidworks, and so on. So this is a very intensive and extensive repository of all the data required to use our SolidWorks tools, and help, training, demonstrations, and everything. And it's a big community where you can share your answers and you can be interactive with others on the community. It's like it's a blog. So this is what my SolidWorks gives me to that. It gives me presentations from SolidWorks, 2D design, 3D design, data management. You can search, you can browse, you can read, you can learn, share, and you can also contribute to this my.solidworks. Interesting, and it's very good. Develop your skills so that you can design with confidence, testing your knowledge on what you have learned, preview what's being taught in lead classes, and then review what you have learned in lead classes. 30 plus hours of SolidWorks online training is available inside my.solidworks.com. And also the one place where you can get the best answer to your question. You can stay current by share your expertise from your desktop or by mobile device. It's just a website. You can use it on your tablet, your phone, or your computer as well. So this is what all about my.solidworks. I hope you make use of this. Let us come to the extended services, what we do apart from the training and technical support, what we have discussed in the earlier slides. Consulting services in all areas of simulation, optimization, and CFD. We do the consulting services, we take the projects, and we can support you on that. And then PDM implementation in multi-sites. For example, you have different geographies working, and you have to have the common server for all, and PDM implementation has to be done in multi-sites. And the data migration services, you are on the different platform earlier, now you want to migrate the entire data into our new platform. Yes, we are going to help you on that. And then design automation services, you want to automate your designs, we have solutions for that, and we also serve you in how best you can automate your designs. And again, in-person support for technical issues, critical issues. So this is what the extended services. And then extended services, deputation of trained and certified professional to additional workload as contract workforce. We can also provide certified professionals to offload your work. And then data migration services, consulting services, CDM implementation, all exhaustive product customization according to your requirement to offer maximum benefit and leveraging our experience as well. So this is all about extended services. And the team who is working on this, all our team members are SolidWorks certified SolidWorks experts. We have SolidWorks simulation professionals, flow simulation professionals, data management administrators, composer professionals for technical publication, electrical support, plastics support technicians. And also, Beacon carries 4 allied engineers, allied application engineers, which is most in India for a professional channel partner, and all these allied application engineers are certified with each and every product suite intensively on all the SolidWorks products, and we've been tested and certified by SolidWorks Corporation. So this is what our team is all about. And it's we call a customer first company. The team we carry is 85 team members. Out of that, 32 technical support engineers, and then 32 SolidWorks certifications we have, and 4 allied engineers, allied application engineers, and the average experience of our team is 6+ years. And then training, we have 4 regional training officers at 20 different training courses. Also, we offer in-house training as well as on-site training, but we always encourage you to come to our facility for the training because of the dedicated training state-of-the-art facility wherein we have the workstations and you can have the hands-on, and it's interactive. It's both the hands-on test as well as the learning lectures from the instructor. And also there won't be any deviations from your training. You can be concentrated, you can keep your full concentration on the training for the entire period. There won't be any distractions. So this is why we always recommend you to come to our office to get trained. And also we offer free What's New Update training and 12 live support engineers every day. 80% of support calls are resolved in under 2 hours. That is where our strength is. We take very minimum time to get back to you for any support queries, and we don't have an annoying automated answering systems. It's all direct numbers. You can contact any one of us. And then we also have this program of 30 webcasts per year, 15 days of free training per year. Also, we conduct regular regional launch events wherein we will be having on an average 2,000 attendees across 5 venues in 2030. So this is the overall setup we have and the services we offer and support we offer, and our locations here: Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Ahmedabad, and support numbers, contact numbers for the same. And finally, last but not least, we have some terms and conditions on this. All support services to customers offered at 100% free of cost. Cost is only on software licenses and subscription. We don't charge for the services and support. Extended services like deputation of manpower, consultation, PDO implementation, and customization would carry an additional cost. And all support services for the complete subscription period. We always urge you to be under subscription to get the complete privileged support. You are the privileged customers status, wherein you get the privilege of all support and services if you are in the subscription. And multi-site support is part of our commitment. If we are supporting the different sites, different work sites, that is our part of our commitment. So this is what a few terms and conditions of our support and services. So, and I can be reached at Praveen at beacon-india.com. I take care of the complete support activities, pre-sales, post-sales, and training activities in Beacon. So, Bangalore. So you can be reached at Praveen at beacon-india.com, and my number is here. So this is what all about the technical support and services we offer. Any questions? I am available in the chat window. You can just raise a question for me and I will be able to answer. Okay, I think there are no questions on this. So thanks for joining us. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you very much.